Wildlife of Kinabalu Park and Kota Kinabalu. Kinabalu Park is a pristine mountain forest located at 1500 meters at the foothills of the 4 km tall Mount Kinabalu, one of the highest tops of Borneo. The park is home to one of Borneo's most endemic bird species, including the Whitehead trio, named by wildlife explorer John Whitehead. One of the trio is the Whitehead's Broadbill, which can be found perched silently on a tree branch and can be recognized by their vivid green color and a black throat, and is endemic to Bornean mountain forest. They are specialized in eating large fruits like figs, which they can swallow as a whole. Once fruits get scarce, they can travel down to 600 meters altitude to find other fruits or alternative food options like insects. During mating season, males usually perform acrobatic dances to impress the females, and when the male succeeds, it can mate with multiple females, something called polygyny. The females will build a nest from moss and lichen and will incubate the eggs for a period of 19 days. This very shy species is the only Trogon truly endemic to montane forest above 900 meters. It feeds mainly on flying insects, which are hunted in flocks together with multiple other bird species. This scarlet-colored male was found sitting quietly during a misty afternoon in the vicinity of his cinnamon brown colored female. The Bornean Treepie is another Bornean endemic, which is a large and noisy bird, and as you can hear, it can produce loud bell-like whistles. Another montane endemic is the crimson-headed partridge, which is seen as the commonest partridge in Kinabalu Park. This male was spotted around 7 AM hopping on the forest floor, foraging for berries, insects or small crustaceans. The Bornean Flowerpecker is endemic to Bornean mountains too, but is unlike others not restricted to primary forest, but can even be seen in secondary forests and gardens. This juvenile is waiting for its mother, feeding it mistletoe berries, their favorite food source. Another bird favoring a berry breakfast is the golden name Barbet. It is one of the most characteristic bird sounds of Kinabalu Park, but it's not always easily seen. This Barbet species is found until 3 km in altitude and can be recognized by its yellow nape and black band between eye and bill. Rain is often not the best time for wildlife watching. However, a few species do not mind to get wet. This species group of mudskippers can be found in Indo-Pacific mangrove forests. Mudskippers are fish that are adapted to live on land, with their pectoral fins serving as legs. During low tide, they enter the land to feed on insects and invertebrates and are able to breathe through their skin, which needs to be wet all the time, as like in amphibians. During the high tide, they hide themselves into deep burrows in the mud, which contains an air pocket for breathing and is also used for laying the eggs. Inside and around the city of Kota Kinabalu, nature is still in abundance. This squirrel species of Borneo was found inside a city park. They are important for the Borneo plant species by eating and carrying fruits and dropping and dispersing the seeds of it. Rice paddy fields are important bird hotspots as well and are preferred by the black-backed Swamphen, which hides in dense and wet areas away from urbanization. The Orange-bellied Flowerpecker is seen as the most common flowerpecker, where only the male lives up to its name by having bright orange underparts. It lives in a variety of habitats and prefers the fruits and nectar from the mistletoe. This male white-bellied woodpecker was found on top of a dead tree, calling loudly to defend its territory. Males and females look very similar, but the females lack the crimson malar stripe below the eye. This species is specialized in eating beetle larvae, which are obtained by drumming into the dead wood. Thank you for watching again.